So a man walks up to me on the street and asks me, do I want to play a game? I say, sure, why not? He says, okay. He has a few cards. Actually, he says he has a family of cards. He says he has this king, and this queen. He said, all you gotta do is keep your eye on that queen. As he said that, I quickly saw him moving to the bottom. I said, that's easy. It's at the bottom. He said, no, that king's right there. I said, well, it's not at the bottom, it's obviously at the top. He said, no, that king's right there. I said, well, it's not the top or bottom, it's obviously in the middle. He said, no, that king's right there. I said, well, what happened to the queen? He said, that queen's right there. I said, so the queen's at the bottom. He said, no, the queen's on top. I said, so you have two queens? He says, no, I have three queens. I said, well, what happened to the kings? He said, the king's right there, king's right there, king's right there. I said, well, somehow you're manipulating the cards and you're cheating. He said, listen, sometimes you get a family member like the king. Sometimes you get a family member like the queen. Sometimes you get a crazy family member like the Joker.